Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining to you how to generate descriptive statistics using data analysis Toolpak for a given set of data. All right. So by descriptive statistics, what we mean, there is a package available in Excel called data analysis where you can generate all these values. Okay. The mean value, median value, mode value, standard deviation, variance, kurtosis, skewness, all these values can be generated together for a given data set. For me right now, I have this column, adjusted close column for Nifty prices. I have it, and I want to calculate the mean, median, mode. Ideally, how will you calculate? Generally, for example, for mean, you will use this function called average, right? So you use the average function. For median, there is a function called median itself, which you can use to calculate, right? So similarly for mode also, recently Excel has introduced a function mode also. Okay, so I'm not explaining the meaning because I'm assuming you would have had a basic statistics course which would have explained this to you. For standard deviation, you have stdev as a function. You can use that to calculate standard deviation. Variance you can calculate using var function. I hope you're able to follow what I'm explaining here. Var. Okay, one second. Okay, doesn't matter. I just have to explain to you the functionality, right? So you can take the var function here. And for kurtosis, you have a function called kurd. Okay, and you can select the data. Yeah. So like this, I think I did a mistake here. 252. Yeah, this also 252. Okay, skewness also you can calculate using skew function. All right, Control Shift down arrow, enter. And range, you can calculate range. Okay, I'll come back to range. You can calculate the maximum value by using the function max. Okay, max value. And you can calculate the minimum value by using the function minimum. And you can like this. So now that I've calculated maximum, minimum, range is simply maximum minus minimum. Okay, so for range, there is no special function you'll have to calculate. Sum, of course, we know the sum of SUM function we have, we know that. So, and the count, again, it will tell you the number of observations here. You can just simply use the count function that will tell you this. Okay, so standard error, of course, you have a formula for that. So I'm not getting into that right now. So anyways, so various functions individually can be used to calculate these things. Instead, you can use, I'm deleting them. Okay, you can use data analysis Toolpak to generate all these statistics. Okay, which is what I'm going to explain right now. So data analysis. I hope you know how to activate the data analysis Toolpak. You need to go to file and options and do that. I have explained that in my previous video. So data analysis Toolpak, click on that. And there is a package called descriptive statistics. You can select descriptive statistics. So it is asking for input range. So give the input range. You can use the column heading also. Okay, and select all of them. So I'm using Control Shift down arrow to select the entire column. So select it, click the column. Okay, and if the first cell what you gave, one second. The first cell what you gave has the name. In that case, you have to ignore that in the calculation, right? So then you'll have to click on labels in first row. Okay, what it does is it will treat the first row as the label and remaining calculations will be done. So where do I need the output? I need the output here. I'm going to just click here. Okay, I'm just clicking here. Of course, it will replace this whole thing, but it's okay. And I'm clicking on summary statistics. So that will give me this list. All right. Okay. So it is saying because already some data is there, it is warning me that it will overwrite on this, which I'm okay with. Click OK and see that it has given me all the values. Right. So you don't have to individually calculate each of those statistical parameters. It all comes as a summary to you here. Right. I hope this was useful to you. I'm giving this data set and practice file and the field file in the description in the video. So please watch it and practice. Thank you for watching.